For lesson 2.7, it's important to be able to translate accurately. And if you notice, or in our textbook, we've got this page. And I'd like you to see that when you have the words to, you switch the order. When you have the word from, you switch the order. Let's see. From, you switch the order. And when you have the word than, you switch the order. Here's a than. So those three words, you switch the order as you're going through the problem. Let's look at our first section here, math vocabulary. Charlene received a grant for N dollars. This year she received $2,500 more than, so it will be, you see the more than there. Write it down, more than, so that's N plus 2,500. A landscaping business is doing well. Evelyn and Francis are going to split the profit. If the total profit is 550 and F is Francis's profit, well, they have to add up to 55000. So F plus Evelyn's profit is 5500. So Evelyn's profit is 55000 minus F. Oops. F will be Evelyn. Next, write an expression for 28 added to a number. You see the word to, so you're going to switch the order, and plus 28. A gain of 14, so we need the letter B, B plus 14. A number increased by, so N plus 36. 25 more than a number, you see the word than, so that's a switch order word, than, number plus 25. A number plus 31 and plus 31. The sum of a number and 19, sum means add, so N plus 19. A number decreased by 50, N minus 50. 46 fewer than, you see the word than, so it's going to be number minus 46. Difference means subtract, so N minus 4. 18 less than, you see the word than right here, so we switch the order, N minus 18. A loss of 25 from the team, team minus 25. Loss is minus. A number, N minus 46. N minus 46. 39 subtracted from, you see the word from here, so that's a switch order word, number minus 39. A number multiplied by 18. Now we could say N times 18, but in math we always put the coefficient in front, and so it'll be 18N. Product of 33 and a number, same thing, 33B. A number divided by 41, N divided by 41. The quotient means division, 23 divided by N. 2 times a number, 2N, increased by, so plus 11. Section 2, oops. Section 2, Alice is A years old. Den's age, if he is 10 times as old as Alice. So Alice is A, Den is 10D. I'm sorry, no, I don't have that right. Den is 10 Alice. Den is 10 Alice. Here we go, next one. The assessed value of the house on Elm Street is $1,180 more than 3 times the one on Walnut. Elm, E, equals 3 Walnut plus 1,180. So letter A is the correct answer there. Landscaping business is doing well. Evelyn and Francis are going to split the profits. Oh, this is just like the one we just did, right? 90,000. So Evelyn is E, Francis is F. So E plus F is 90,000. Larger of two numbers is 100,000 less than 4 times the smaller number. L is the larger number, equals 4 times the smaller, less, subtract 100,000. Now notice there's a than here, so that's a switch order word that we're going to switch those two around. Last year, Charlene received a grant of G dollars. This year, she received more than, so it'll be G plus 3822. For section 3, same kind of a thing. Write expressions involving multiplication. Eli caught a fish weighing p pounds and ounces. We want the weight in ounces. Since there's 16 ounces in a pound, it will be 16 times the number of pounds plus the number of ounces. Helena kept her speed at 52 miles per hour for h hours. Using the variable h, give an expression for the distance. Distance is rate times time, so 52h is our answer. Vu wants to earn 50,000 per year. Using the variable h for hours, give an expression for his pay rate in dollars per hour. So 50,000 is the numerator, h is the denominator, so we would write 50,000 over h. Grant found he has n nickels. Well, each nickel is worth 5 cents. So we would say 5n. Now, if we were talking about dollars, it would be 0.05n. Now he's got n $10 bills. So that money in dollars would be 10n. Now, if we were doing cents, it would be 1,000 times the number of cents. She has Q quarters. The amount in cents would be 25 times the number of quarters. If she has $20 bills, the amount in dollars would be 20 times the number W. Now you might ask, why would you use W for 20s instead of T? Well, T could be tens or thousands, and so that's why or 20s. We don't know which one it stands for, so that's why we'll keep it at W, because that one doesn't, there is only one number with a prominent W like that. Last one, writing equations. Amanda and Chad ate lunch at the Acoustic Cafe. The cost of their meals plus a 20% tip was, you see the equals here, equals $33.60. Now there's many of them that have equals $33.60, but it's the meal plus 20% of the meal is $33.60. It's not the meal plus 20 cents. It's not a 20-cent tip. It's a 20% tip. In this case, the only thing they did wrong is they put in the 20, so it's not a tip of 20 times the amount of the meal, but 20% times the amount of the meal. Let L be represent the list price of the waiters. Write an expression for Jake Black's new waiters. He purchased a new set of waiters at 10% off. He paid $50. So L minus 0.10L is $50. Owners makes models of buildings they design. One model is 1/10 the size of the actual building. The difference between the length of the actual building and the model is 108 feet. So the building minus 1/10 of the building is 108 feet. That would be letter B. Difference means subtract. The sum of a number and 24 is 30, so n plus 24 equals 30. You see, it's just a straight out record there. Difference means subtract, so 2n minus 2250 equals 2475. That'd be letter A here. 7 times a number, 7n, is equals 18 more than, this is a switch order word, so the 5n is going to go first, the 18 is going to go at the end, and so letter A is the correct answer there. 8 more than, so that's going to go at the end, 72n plus 8 is that number, n, increased by plus 90. Next one, Bruce Stanford is 7.5 years older than 2 times Amber Green's age. The sum of their ages is 69. Use the variable G for Green's age. So Green's age plus, now it says Bruce is 7.5 years older than twice Amber's age. So 2G plus 7.5. Yeah, that one's not right. This should be 2G plus 7.5. There we go. Plus G is 69. Radiography technician's 2014 salary income was 2.5% greater than 2013. T is 2013, so T plus 0.025T is her 2014 salary of $45,100. That would be letter A. So this is section 2.4, and it's all about translating. And it's not real easy, but I have confidence you can do it.